We're going to make this passion fruit tart with a white chocolate ganache. Here I'm just cutting out a circle of parchment paper and folding it up lots of times so it fits nice and flat in my tart case. And then I'm going to roll out my sablé pastry that I made earlier. I'm working in very hot conditions here, so excuse the tears, but it all works out fine in the end. Pop your parchment paper in there and your beans and bake that till nice and crispy. Then we're going to make the filling with some sugar, passion fruit puree, egg yolks, an egg and some lemon juice. Get it nice and thick and then add in the butter. Pour that into your tart case and bake again, just for a few minutes until just set. I'm melting together some white chocolate and cream, and then we whip it up to make the ganache. And now we can decorate, which is the fun part. Got some raspberries, piping on the white chocolate ganache, adding in some toasted almonds and some mint leaves. Also, you're gonna fill in the hole in the middle because it looked better. Some white chocolate shards and a bit of orange zest.